Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the journal entry in Zoho Books. Open Accounting, then Journal Entries, and click Plus New Journal. Enter the date and reference so transactions trace back later. Select the correct currency and posting period because reporting depends on those fields. Once done, pick the journal type that matches the transaction, adjusting entry, accrual, or reclassification so accounts behave correctly downstream. Make sure to save frequently to avoid losing work while you build lines. Now you populate the lines. For each transaction, add an account, choose debit or credit, and enter the exact amount. You do this because double entry requires totals to match. Use optional fields, tax, project, class, or memo, so future filters and reports are accurate. Attach receipts or invoices to each line when available for audit trails. Once you've entered all lines, check the totals at the bottom. Make adjustments until debits equal credits, then proceed to review. Finally, review the whole journal entry. Use Preview to confirm accounts, amounts, and attachments look right. When satisfied, click Post to commit the entry, and then verify it appears in the general ledger and relevant reports to ensure posting affected balances as intended. If posting fails or totals remain unbalanced, reopen the draft, check each line for transposed digits or wrong sign, and correct the account mapping. One troubleshooting tip: if amounts still mismatch, temporarily export lines to CSV to spot calculation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.